Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. Thanks for joining me today. And at the time of this recording, I thought I'd go ahead and prepare one of the photo pocket pages that we carry for the family Christmas photos that I know we're going to have come soon, and I need to put them in my memory keeping album. So I just wanted to walk you through the process of how I do this using the pocket page and some designer paper and a stamp set. So I am using some designer papers that are from the All Is Bright Designer Series paper collection from the holiday catalog, and at the time of this recording this paper was still available, and currently if it is on the year-end closeout list in the online store. But I know that I'm going to have several pictures to keep and journal a little bit about. So I've chosen this layout. It has four, I know that's hard to see. Let me put it on something solid here. Okay, so I have four spaces with that are 4x6 and 3 that are 3x4. So I'm going to allow on this side for photos to go here. So I don't necessarily have to put anything in this spot right now, but sometimes I do as a placeholder, and I just decide that as I go along. So what I am going to do is fill these in and decide where I'm going to put my journaling piece. So I want these stockings on this side, so I'm going to cut using my paper trimmer and cut some 3x4 pieces of this stocking print. So I know I want them going, you know, up and down, so it's going to be 3 inches wide by 4 inches tall. So I need 4 pieces, so this is going to give me 3. And what I'm going to do is just alternate the stocking and then the little stars on the shaded spruce piece. So let me cut another 3-inch strip, and I'll have all 4 pieces there. You can also use the Memories and More card kits for this photo pocket memory keeping system, but I like to use my designer paper as well. Okay, there's 4 pieces, right? All right. So I'm just going to slip these in, and then once I get my pictures developed, I'll be able to just slide them in where I want them. So I'm going to go ahead and get this alternated just like that. It's nice and colorful. And you can see how quick and easy it is, even if you're cutting your own paper, okay? So there is that. And then I could put, you know, 4 photos here. But if I want to put some journaling in, or even just dates or names, then I like to take a piece of Whisper White and put it in over this. So this is 3x4. So I'm going to cut a piece of Whisper White at 2x3. So let me get this. Let me go 2.5. 2x3, 3x4, 2.5 by 3.5. I think I'm going to try that. 2.5 by 3.5. Okay. So that is going to slip in like that, and I'll just center it over that piece there. But I think I want to stamp on that. So let me get my papers out of the way. This one here, Merry Christmas to all. Okay, let me get this. Here they are underneath, buried underneath everything. And so I can either use a Stamparatus, or I can just stamp because it's photopolymer and I can see where I'm stamping. So let me just line this up here, and then all right, So I'm going to have Merry. No, I think I'm going to put Blessed Christmas. Okay. Line that up right there. Okay, so Christmas Blessings. I think I'm going to stamp that in Shaded Spruce. Okay. Okay, Blessings. And then I have this little swirly piece that I'm going to ink up in Real Red ink, because those are the two main colors in this designer paper. And so let me get this aside. And I'm really kind of deciding this as I go along. I knew I wanted to use this paper and these colors. Okay, so then down here I could put the date and maybe some names. And that would be fine just to stick it in the pocket like that. But you can also add some embellishments, okay? So I've got some of these clear faceted gems, and I have my Stampin' Blends, and I'm going to color a couple of them here. I think I'm going to use the Real Red. So I'm just going to color over the gems like that. I think I'm going to do 3 different sizes. Okay, and let's do a little one. All right. And then I'm just going to pick them up. And then get this little one here. And then this one. Okay. So now, let's move all this back in. And I can just slip this in here. Just like that. And see, that gives it a little bit of bling. Now, if I flip this over, because you know you can put photos on the back, it's ready to go on the back too, but I've also sometimes cut other patterns of paper and just slip it right over these, okay? And then it's ready to go. But now there is an easy page that is ready for my photos when I get them developed, and I'll have one ready to go. So anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. Please visit my website at inkandinspirations.com, and I will talk to you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.